Welcome back to your demo and walkthrough of Clarityflow. We've covered a lot already in the previous videos, but now we're going to get to a key piece, and that is hosting groups, cohorts, and small communities using the Spaces feature. So I'm going to go over here to Spaces, and I have created two spaces in my Clarityflow account. The first one is called Growth Accelerator. If I go into that, I've organized this one by cohorts. I've created a cohort for every season, and let's go into the fall cohort. So here is the fall cohort of my Growth Accelerator space. Inside this space, we have a handful of conversations, and these conversations are only seen by the members of this space. I can see the members list here. So these are the people that I have invited as members to this exclusive fall cohort space. Now, to show you what this looks like from a member's perspective, let's log in as Jane Smith. Okay, so here in this browser, I'm logged in as Jane Smith. I'm going to click Spaces, and I can see that one of the spaces that I'm a member of is the Growth Accelerator Fall Cohort. I'm going to click into that, and here I'm viewing the space where I can join into any of the conversations that I see here, or I can even start a new conversation, and I can invite other members of the space into this conversation as well. Now I'm back to my view of the space, and I want to show you some of the settings that I have as an admin. I can decide whether or not members should be allowed to start conversations. I can also decide whether members should be able to see the members directory or not. And we can connect a space to programs. So in the previous video, I walked through how you can create courses using programs. By connecting your courses to a space, you can make it so that every time someone enrolls in a course, they automatically get added to a space. Or you can make it so that the members of your space can see a call to action in the sidebar so that they can enroll themselves in a course. So let's do that here. I'm going to connect a program, and I'm going to select my Healthy Habits course. I'm going to create that connection here, and I'm going to go back to the browser where it's Jane Smith viewing. And you can see here in the sidebar, now I see this call out where I can enroll myself in the Healthy Habits course. All right, I'm back to my view here. I'm going to go back to all of my spaces. Just a last note on this. I showed you the Growth Accelerator, which I organized into multiple cohorts, but you don't have to use cohorts. For example, I've got another space that I call the VIP community. And in that space, we don't use cohorts. It's just one evergreen growing community where we can have a growing list of members. And I can add new members, I can deactivate members, and it's great for hosting small or even medium-sized or large communities, all inside Clarityflow. All right, so your action item is, you guessed it, you can start your first space by going to Spaces and then click New Space. Give it a name, and then you can start to invite members into your space. All right, we're almost near the end of your demo and walkthrough of Clarityflow, but the next video is an important one. We're gonna cover Clarityflow Commerce. That's how you can sell products, subscriptions, take one-time payments by connecting your Stripe account and integrating that with everything in Clarityflow. See ya.